Hey guys, Akash here. Hope you all are doing good. So today we have got ginger, we have got garlic, we have got onion, we have got tofu, and we are going to make a vegan dish. The name of the dish is Black Pepper Tofu. So we're gonna cut the tofu into cubes, toss them in corn flour, and then we're gonna start cook them with onion, ginger, garlic, black pepper. Sounds interesting, right? So let's start and cook this incredible vegan dish. So we need tofu, green onions, we need ginger, we need cornstarch, we need red chili, we need garlic, we need onions, we need some sugar, some soy sauce, and black pepper. So let's start with cutting the tofu first. So we'll start with cutting the tofu into cubes. Tofu is also known as bean curd, and it's a good source of protein, and mostly important, it is vegan. So we'll try to cut the tofu into even cube sizes, and then we can toss them with cornstarch and we're gonna fry them up. So tofu is done, so I'm gonna put them in a bowl, and later on I'm gonna toss them with cornstarch. We'll chop my ginger. So we'll try to fine chop the ginger. We'll fine chop garlic now. I'll try to smash it with my knife first, and then I will chop them off. So garlic, I can double chop it. I will try to make it more fine. I'll try to make it more even, like my chopped ginger. We'll slice 1 red onions now. Now I will cut my green onions. So this chili is very hot, so I'm not gonna use the all. I'm just using a little bit. Again, I will try to fine chop this chili, and I think that much must be enough for my whole tofu preparation. It's gonna be medium spicy. So all my cutting part is done. Now I'm gonna add the cornstarch in the tofu and gonna mix them nicely. So cornstarch is gonna give a nice crispy texture to my tofu. We'll fry our tofu in a vegetable oil. So I'm gonna put the vegetable oil in a pan. So I had already heated up my oil. Now I'm gonna fry my tofu. So I will try to give a nice golden brown color to my tofus, and I can see it's getting crispy. So now my tofu seems like done. I got a light golden brown color, so it's the right time to take them off. I got my coriander and pepper ready here. I put some pepper on that so that it will suck the excess oil from the tofu, as we don't want our tofu to be oily. So we will fry all our tofus into 2 batches. So now I'm gonna fry it again. So as of now, my frying part is done. All my ingredients are ready here. I got a pan. So now we gotta do the most interesting part. We're gonna stir fry them. So now we'll start with some olive oil for a fry. I would love to cook with olive oil because olive oil is healthy. Stir fry is very quick cooking. My oil is hot. We'll start with some chopped garlic. We'll stir it real quick. So I'm cooking in medium heat and my garlic got some color. Now next step, I'm gonna add my ginger. Gonna mix them nicely. So stir fry is very fast cooking and it changes the form very quick. So we have to be more careful while we're adding the ingredients. Now I'm gonna add my chilies. Mix them, and then I'm gonna add my sliced onions. I'm getting a nice smell, believe me. I got a golden brown color for the onions, and now I'm gonna add some green onions. And I will save some for the garnish. So I think that much must be enough for the garnish. And again, we're gonna mix them. So I had added green onions at last because it's gonna give a nice crispy texture to the tofu. So whatever happens in cooking is all for a reason, believe me. So now we'll add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, some sugar, some salt. So we have to be very careful with the salt because soy sauce is already contains salt. We'll add our fried tofu. Now we toss them. We'll try to mix with the tofu and the mixture. We'll add some water. So now we'll add black pepper. The name of the dish is Black Pepper Tofu. So 3 most important components: black pepper and tofu. Now it's done. We'll turn it off and we'll plate it. So all done. Now we're gonna plate it and garnish with some fresh lemon and fresh mint. We'll put some lemon for the garnish, some nice and fresh mint. Now we'll add green onions for the garnish. So my vegan black pepper tofu is ready and I can't wait to eat it. So you can eat this as a snacks, you can eat this as a main course with any rice, but I prefer to eat this with jasmine rice. Thanks a lot for watching this video and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. So please like, share, subscribe and comment for more upcoming videos and recipes. Thank you.